Hi there, we are here at the French Hand Laundry in Pasadena today. I'm going to pick up some dry cleaning that includes 2 pieces of rare Moschino that had so many problems. I don't know if what kind of miracles they created, if any, but we'll find out. Let's find out. Okay. All right, so this is the Moschino now. This one I was just hopeful for because I bought it on auction in Europe, and sadly the pictures didn't exactly match, but I think it's going to be okay. I definitely see some spots, but wouldn't prevent it from renting, so that's very cool. I see the other one. Yeah, this one had a lot of problems, and it was too late to return it. And let's see. Yeah, I think that's very sad. But that's what happens when they're this old and they're not properly. Look, it's got the rip in it. Yeah. Yeah, it's going in my clearance. Y'all come to my apartment sale. I think you'll find this in there. Yeah, it's got these problems. Wow. See, this is why it's so important and why I work so hard to get this stuff in good condition, because you never know. Oh, finally cleaned my McQueen scarf. My favorite dresses are back. And that's it. Okay. Definitely check out the French Hand Laundry in Pasadena if you're looking for a great place to bring your stuff. They are wizards.